Grabe. Takbuhan. SB19 wala pa. Mayang gabi pa to, bro.
Officials open the gate of Sultan Kudarat and look at how all the fans entering. They're literally running.
Shout out SB19. Wala pa, mamaya pa. Grabe. Grabe mga tao, guys. Takbuhan. Ay wow, grabe. Free concert po, SB19. Opening po dito sa
free concert. Everyone is running. Everyone is running.
Kalimutan grand opening. Ayan, tingnan nyo naman, guys. Excited na excited yung mga tao.
So, I hope everyone is okay.
So, abangan mamaya. Abangan po ninyo, guys.
Meron pa po tayo dun sa kabila. Pwede po tayo sa kabilang wing.
Ay, wow.
Dance music. The official will see
that. You can see the first few rows are already booked.
Buhan!
Ayan, huwag po tayo masyadong madali. Malawak pa po yung ating field. Pwede din po tayo dun sa kabilang wing.
Grabe. Oh. Grabe, oh.
Nakuha mo yung first sa nagdating.
Oo. Ala, SB19 fans. Ayan. Tignan nyo naman, oh.
Ayan, welcome po to the province of Sultan Kudarat. Yung iba po, pwede po tayo din sa kabilang way. Ikot lang po tayo.
Oo, malayo to. Ang iba sa Davao, iba't ibang lugar po ang pumunta lang dito, guys, para sa ginagagawing grand opening.
Wait lang, 2 minutes.
Dito sa Isulan, grand opening po sa Kalimutan Festival. Ayan. Mga ate, mga nanay.
Look how they're entering. Everyone running. Everyone wants to take the first place. And there is nothing wrong, but make sure you are safe while running. Don't fall, because I can see that place. You can see a lot of like cracks in that field, but I hope everyone is okay. Everyone, oh look at them! Oh my God, the way they're running. Everyone wants to see SB19 from the front row.